道パーク in SAIJO. My name is Takahiro Sakai, an actor from hashtag えひめジャーニー and SAIJO City. Here I would like to introduce one of the attractions of SAIJO City, the Railway History Park in SAIJO. There are many exhibits here and the actual cars that were used in the past are on display. There are whopping 6 cars on display. Uniforms from those days are also on display, and there are also 9 old station lunch boxes on display. I recommend the series Zero Shinkansen, where you can sit in the drive seat as well as the passenger seat. You can even turn on the front lights as if you were the driver. Isn't that interesting? In the building next to the Shinkansen, there is a memorial hall for the creator of the Shinkansen, Mr. Shinji Sogo. You can enter the museum for free. In the city, there are also the holiday village Seto Chitoyo and the SAIJO City. There is exchange center. If you would like to listen to the voice guidance, please visit there.